Hi guys! I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to hsagallery. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I will show you how to make a Pikachu bookmark. First you will need to make a square out of your paper. Take your sheet of paper and fold our one corner to create a triangle. But here we show you how to create that perfect square. Don't forget to subscribe hsagallery and also press bell icon. Cut of the excess paper. Corner bookmarks need squares of paper. Fold the top half down over, bottom half in and fold it. Do the same for both the diagonal directions. Fold the paper inwards along the diagonal creases and make a diamond shape. Use a black marker to draw the ears, nose, and the outline of the mouth. Use a red marker to draw the cheeks and color of the mouth. You can draw many styles of Pikachu's face. Make Pikachu happy, mad, or even sad. Try making a bunch of these easy paper Pikachu bookmark for any mood. Design number 2. Fold the square paper across, diagonal to make a triangle. Rotate to bring the long edge. Parallel, then bring the right corner up to meet the top corner. Repeat with the corner. You should now have a smaller diamond with a line down the middle. Open up the last 2 folds. Folds down the top corner. Only take 1 sheet of paper. Bring the right corner back up and fold into the flap. Repeat for the other side. Create a basic bookmark. Enjoy the video and comment if you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.